In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type in PowerPoint. Whether you're new to PowerPoint or brushing up your skills, this guide will walk you through the straightforward process of adding text to your slides. This means you'll be creating attention-grabbing presentations filled with information in no time. So, let's get started. First and foremost, the journey begins by opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. For many of you, PowerPoint will likely be located in your Microsoft Office folder, or can be searched for in your computer's search bar. Once you open PowerPoint, you'll be greeted by the Start screen, which showcases a variety of templates and recent documents. If it's a new project you're embarking on, you might be tempted by the templates, but for now, let's focus on the task at hand. The next step is to open your presentation file. If you're working on an existing project, you'll find it under the Recent section on the opening screen. If not, navigate to the location on your computer where the file is saved and open it from there. This should load up your presentation, ready for you to dive in and get to work. Once your file is open and you've got your slides in front of you, we're going to head over to the Insert tab. You'll find this at the top of the window in the toolbar. The Insert tab is home to a variety of features, but today we're interested in just one of them, the text box. Adding text to your slides is done through this handy feature, allowing you to control exactly where your text goes and how it looks. After clicking on text box, your cursor will change, signifying that you're ready to add text to your slide. Now move your cursor over to your desired slide and click on the area where you want your text to appear. A blinking cursor will appear, indicating that you can start typing. Don't worry too much about getting everything right on the first go. One of the great benefits of PowerPoint is its flexibility, allowing you to edit and move your text around after you've typed it. Now, I want to share a few extra tips to make your text stand out and fit well within your presentation. After you've typed out your content, you might find that the default font and size don't quite match your vision. No problem at all. Highlight the text you've just inserted, then head over to the Home tab, where you'll find a variety of options for font style, size, color, and alignment. These tools are incredibly user-friendly and will enable you to tailor each piece of text to suit the overall aesthetic of your presentation. Let's say you finish typing and styling your text, but realize it would work better in a different part of your slide. No need to delete and redo anything. Simply click on the edge of the text box until you see a four-sided arrow, then click and drag the box to its new location. PowerPoint offers you the flexibility to try different layouts quickly and easily, ensuring your slides look exactly how you envisioned. To wrap things up, adding text to your slides in PowerPoint is a fundamental skill that opens up a world of possibilities for creating presentations that inform, persuade, and engage your audience. By following these simple steps, opening your PowerPoint, selecting your file, finding the Insert tab, clicking on text box, and then typing on your slide, you'll be well on your way to crafting presentations that stand out. With the additional tips on styling and moving your text around, you're now equipped to take your PowerPoint presentations to the next level. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore all the possibilities PowerPoint offers. Thank you for watching, and be sure to tune in for more helpful guides. Whether you're polishing your presentation skills or learning new ones, we're here to help you every step of the way. Happy presenting!